Welcome to FastBuilder AI. We are a generative software platform. With generative software, you can generate a whole software package from text instructions. We call these text instructions as story. You must have written a software requirement if you have ever worked in any business with a touch of technology. But it used to take months and years to get a perfect software after you write your requirements. But no more. Here is a project which has a story of cash management involving SAP Concur. These integration are very intensive and takes unto 5 years for perfection. We are going to finish it in a few minutes. All the stories are set. We will view the story a bit later. The account is well funded and ready to go. Now click on the Generate Codebase button. This story will utilize 161 GPUs because there are 161 files to be generated. We call them generative heads. A number of machines provide multiple heads and the jobs are processed as they arrive. Meanwhile, it takes some time. Let's review a few elements of generative architecture. Here is the prompt template for Node.js Express.js framework. There will be controllers, models, API, and their paths. You can configure your own prompt and AI providers. You can choose any coding language for generating softwares. The number of files generated will depend on the story and prompt framework. The number of available heads depend on the demand and supply factors. Here we have 8 available heads. We push the request to as many heads as possible. We have over 2,000 heads in production. An average generation consumes 1 billion tokens. The software is generated at the rate of 5,000 tokens consumed per second. This is a heavily optimized stack to perform heavy-duty jobs. Once the job is submitted, it may take 1 to 2 hours depending on the workload at that instant. Once your code is ready, you can click on the Download Codebase button and unzip the file. Here is your software package. Here is the backstory of how to make this work. It all starts with a story. Firstly, write a story in third-person grammar, also called the DOOR framework. It may take some hours or days to write a good story and always involves many people. It depends on your needs. Involve everybody so that you have a comprehensive product story. After that, the NLP will create a specific type of knowledge graph from that story and an architecture graph. Once you have it, your story is set for producing software. Whenever you get a new idea to improve your business, just update the story and click a few buttons of NLP and AI. Isn't that easy? Just imagine the possibilities.